Welcome, friends. Today, let's discover the joy of saving seeds from your own garden. Seed saving is simple and connects you to nature. It helps your garden thrive year after year. Anyone can do it. Save seeds, grow strong plants, and share with others. Ready to start? Follow Fred's Sustainable Gardening for easy tips and inspiration. Why save seeds? First, it saves you money. No more buying endless seed packets. You get more plants for free and your budget goes further. Saving seeds also helps preserve special plants like heirlooms with unique stories and flavors. If a plant thrives in your garden, saving its seeds means you keep those great traits. It's a smart way to adapt your garden to your local conditions. Seed saving connects you to nature's cycle. Plants grow, flower, set seed, and start again. You'll notice more about your plants and feel closer to your garden. It's peaceful, fulfilling, and makes you part of nature's rhythm. Which plants should you save seeds from? Choose open-pollinated or heirloom varieties. These plants grow true to type, so their seeds produce plants just like the parent. If you love your red tomatoes, saving seeds from open-pollinated types means you'll get the same next year. Avoid hybrids, often labeled F1. Their seeds can be unpredictable. Always pick your healthiest, most vigorous plants for seed saving. Look for plants that are big, vibrant, and disease-free. These star performers will pass on their best qualities to the next generation. How do you know when seeds are ready to harvest and store for next season? It's a crucial step in the gardening cycle, ensuring you have a supply of your favorite plants year after year. Watch for telltale signs on the plant itself. Flowers fade, signaling that their primary purpose of attracting pollinators is complete. Seed heads, once vibrant and green, turn brown and dry, indicating the seeds inside are maturing and losing moisture. Seed pods, which protect the developing seeds, become brittle to the touch. Sometimes they even crack open naturally, revealing the mature seeds within. For sunflowers, the large flower heads will droop, and the back of the head will turn yellow and then brown. The seeds themselves will become plump and easy to remove. For zinnias, those brightly colored blooms will transform into papery seed heads, filled with tiny seeds ready to be collected. And when it comes to beans and peas, the pods will turn brown, becoming dry and papery. They may even crack open, offering a glimpse of the mature seeds nestled inside, eager to sprout next season. Once you spot these clues indicating maturity, it's time to collect your precious seeds. To ensure proper storage and viability, dry your seeds thoroughly. Spread them in a single layer on a paper plate or a fine mesh screen, allowing for maximum air exposure. Place them in a cool, dry spot with good airflow. This helps prevent mold and ensures the seeds dry evenly. It's crucial to keep them out of direct sunlight during the drying process, as excessive heat can damage the delicate embryos within. Before storing, clean off any dried flower bits, stems, or pod pieces that may be mixed in with your seeds. This is commonly referred to as chaff. Gently rub the seeds between your hands to loosen any remaining debris. Alternatively, use a screen with appropriately sized mesh to sift the seeds, separating them from the larger pieces of chaff. For very light chaff, a gentle puff of air, or winnowing, can help blow away the unwanted material, leaving you with clean seeds. Handle your seeds with care and store them properly. They're not just seeds, they're the promise of your future garden's bounty. Your seeds are dry and clean, a crucial first step in ensuring their viability for the next growing season. Taking the time to properly dry your seeds prevents mold and other issues that can arise from trapped moisture. Now store them safely. Proper storage is paramount to preserving the vitality of your seeds, ensuring they're ready to sprout when you are. Use paper envelopes, as they allow the seeds to breathe and prevent moisture buildup. Small bags, particularly those made of airtight materials, can also work, but be extra sure your seeds are completely dry before sealing them away. Or glass jars with tight lids. These provide an excellent barrier against pests and fluctuations in humidity. The key is to keep seeds dry. Moisture is the enemy of long-term seed storage. Moisture ruins them, causing them to rot or sprout prematurely, rendering them useless when planting time comes. Label everything with the plant name so you know exactly what you're planting next season, and collection date. Future, you will thank you. Knowing the age of your seeds helps you manage expectations for germination rates. Store seeds in a cool, dark, dry place. These conditions minimize the factors that degrade seed quality, like a closet shelf or a drawer. These locations typically offer stable temperatures and protection from light, Avoid hot, damp, or steamy spots. These environments encourage premature germination or seed decay. Some people use the fridge as the consistently cool temperature can extend seed life, but only if it's very dry inside. Humidity in the fridge can be just as damaging as humidity elsewhere. Remember, seeds have different lifespans. Some varieties remain viable for many years, while others degrade more quickly. Beans last years, often retaining good germination rates for 3 to 5 years or even longer. Onions less so. Onion seeds are notorious for their short lifespan, often losing viability after just a year. Good storage helps all seeds last longer, maximizing your chances of a successful garden. If you're new, start with easy plants. It's a great way to build confidence and learn the basics of seed saving, like marigolds, zinnias, or beans. These are generally reliable and forgiving, even if storage conditions aren't perfect. Seed saving keeps your garden's story alive, connecting you to past harvests and future blooms. Join the tradition, give it a try. You'll be amazed at the satisfaction of growing plants from seeds you've saved yourself. Thanks for watching. For more sustainable gardening tips, follow Fred's Sustainable Gardening. Happy planting!